The O1 error on your Rogers NextBox indicates it's having trouble connecting to Rogers network or activating properly. This error typically appears during startup and blocks access to your channels. The most common fix is a full power cycle. Completely unplug your NextBox from the power outlet for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resets the internal components and forces a fresh boot. After waiting, plug it back in and see if the error clears. This resolves the issue for many users by re-establishing the connection. If it doesn't work, proceed to the next steps. If a simple power cycle doesn't fix the O1 error, check your coaxial cable connection to ensure it's secure and undamaged. You can also verify your account status on the Rogers app or website to rule out activation issues. For persistent problems, consider more advanced troubleshooting. Some users find success by holding the power button for 10 seconds during the power cycle or rebooting their router along with the NextBox. If the issue continues, it might indicate a more serious problem like faulty wiring or outdated equipment. As Rogers shifts towards streaming services like Ignite TV, older NextBoxes may become less reliable and may need an upgrade or move to streaming. In rare cases, hardware replacement may be necessary, costing between $50 and $200 CAD. If problems persist, contact Rogers support for advanced diagnostics.